we're doing a quick video showing the setup and how to test a NateChrony. You're going to need a screen, whether it be a mobile phone or a tablet or even a PC, anything that has Wi-Fi connectivity and can open a web page. You're going to need a USB cable, not for data, just for power. So any USB cable will work. We of course recommend our premium cables. You want something to drop through the Chrony. A AAA battery is perfect. Pellets are going to actually be a little bit too small. If they're not perfectly aligned, you won't get good results. And you're going to need, of course, the Chrony. First thing you're going to do is to power up the Chrony. We can see that we've got the red power up light here. Conveniently, the instructions are actually printed on the Chrony. So you connect to the Wi-Fi network Chrony X. X will be a specific number. And then you need to browse to the web page http 192.168.4.1. Be careful, it has to be HTTP. A lot of devices will change that to HTTPS automatically. You'll get an error. So you need to go to HTTP 192.168.4.1. We've got a little trick for that later on. So the Chrony is powered up. We now want to connect to the Chrony's Wi-Fi. We want to go into settings and then you want to go into connections. We want to select Wi-Fi and you'll see the Chrony network come up here. Chrony 48. So we connect to that Wi-Fi network. We're typically going to get an error because it's going to try and connect to the internet. There is, of course, no internet connectivity through the Chrony. So here's the error message, internet's not available, always connect. So we're now connected to the Chrony network. You'll see in the top there, you've got a little Wi-Fi network with an exclamation mark, perfectly fine. We open up Chrome and then you want to go to 192.168.4.1. We've of course been there before. And there it is, there's our screen. If you get the error, again, double check that it's HTTP. You may need to type that in. So this is the NateChrony screen. So we'll do a quick test. We can go between the setup and the shoot screens. Perfect, we know it's all working. You get the AAA battery. You drop it down and there it is there, 1 meter per second. We'll change that to feet per second. And there it is there. Now, I recommend using Chrome as the web browser because it's got a really cool feature the way that the NateChrony web page has been designed. If you click on the little 3 dots there, then click on Add to Home Screen. Add to Home Screen NateChrony. Add that. Yep. Now, NateChrony is not an app, it is just a web page, but the way it's been created is you can use it like an app. So we've added it to the home screen, so instead of having to type it all out, you can just click on NateChrony. There it is there. Really simple, really quick. So that's it. That's how you test and validate your NateChrony is working. You can now set it up, mount it, and get testing.